Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. I am Rizky Amin with name F1E122031 from the Information System Study Program, Faculty of Science and Technology, Jambi University. I will review IELTS and TOEFL IBT writing practice videos about strengths, weaknesses, strategies, tricks, and techniques. Based on video IELTS writing practice, here are the key points regarding the strengths, weaknesses, strategies, and techniques for this writing task type. The strength, ability to summarize and synthesize data from visual sources like charts, graphs, and tables in a clear, organized manner. Demonstration of understanding the relationships and trends in the data. Use of appropriate academic vocabulary and sentence structures. The weaknesses, tendency to get bogged down in minor details and numbers rather than focusing on the main trends and features. Difficulty in the determining the most relevant information to include and how to logically structure the response. Potential for running out of time if not efficient in planning and writing. Strategies and techniques. Number one, introduction and overview. Prepare the task form consistently to introduce the data source. Provide one from to two sentence overview summarizing the key takeaways linking the card or table information. Number two, body paragraphs. Decide on a logical way to organize the body paragraphs. Focus Focus on describing the main features, trends, and comparisons rather than mere details. Use appropriate academic language like approximately, respectively, in order to convey the data accurately. Make a comparison between the data points to highlight the relationship. Three general tips. Practice analyzing a variety of cards or table tests to develop familiarity. Learn common vocabulary and sentence structures for describing data visualization. Allocate time wisely. Spend more time planning to the response structure than writing. Proofread to check for error in grammar, spelling, and coherence. The key to demonstrate your ability to understand, interpret, and effectively communicate the key information from the provide visual data source within the time and word limit constraints. TOEFL. Next about TOEFL IBT writing practice video in grade writing task. The strength. Test your ability to understand and synthesize information from a reading passage and lecture on the same academic topic. Allow you to demonstrate your comprehension and critical thinking skills. The weaknesses requires actively listening to the lecture while also referring back to the reading passage. Need to be able to identify the main points, supporting details, and how to the lecture relates to or cast doubt on the reading. Strategies. Take good notes during the lecture to reference when writing. Identify the key points made in the reading and lecture and how they relate. Summarize the main points from both courses concisely in your response. Writing for an academic discussion task. The strength test your ability to analyze and respond to an academic topic without having to draw from outside source. Allow you to showcase your English writing skills. Weaknesses requires regenerating ideas and example on your own without the aid of source material. Need to be able to organize your thought and arguments in a clear, coherent way. The strategies carefully read and understand the prompt to ensure you address all aspects. Plan out your response with an introduction, body paragraphs, and conclusions. Use academic vocabulary and sentence structures appropriate for the task. Support your points with relevant examples and reasoning. Overall, the key for both tests is to understand the requirements, Organize your dough effectively and demonstrate your English proficiency through a well-developed coherent response. I prefer the TOEFL writing test because the two distinct test types provide more clarity on the skills being tested, and the integrated within tasks align better with my strengths in synthesizing information from multiple sources. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.